Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but achievable with consistent strategies and self-awareness. Here are effective steps to help you stop bad habits and replace them with healthier choices. Number 1. Identify triggers and patterns. Start by recognizing when, where, and why the habit occurs. Is it stress-induced, boredom-related, or triggered by certain environments or emotions? Identifying the patterns helps you understand what drives the behavior, making it easier to anticipate and control. Number 2. Set specific goals. Define clear, achievable goals for reducing or eliminating the habit. For example, if you're trying to cut back on excessive screen time, set limits, such as I will use my phone only during breaks. Setting measurable goals creates a structured path for improvement. Number 3. Replace the habit. Substitute the bad habit with a positive one that meets the same needs. If you habitually snack out of boredom, consider drinking water, chewing gum, or engaging in a short, mindful activity to redirect your focus. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on breaking bad habits. 4. Develop a gradual approach. Breaking habits gradually can be more sustainable than going cold turkey. If you want to stop a habit like nail biting, try reducing it over time or setting specific times when you're more conscious of avoiding it. Gradual reduction can make the change more manageable. 5. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness. Being mindful helps you stay present and observe when you're falling into the habit loop. When you catch yourself, pause, acknowledge the urge, and refocus your thoughts on why you want to stop. Over time, this awareness weakens the automatic response to the habit. 6. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for small wins. Recognizing and celebrating progress, whether it's a day without the habit or a week of gradual reduction, can motivate you to keep going. Positive reinforcement strengthens the decision to stay on track. 7. Leverage accountability. Tell friends, family, or a support group about your commitment. Having accountability partners can encourage you to stay committed and provide support if you have setbacks. You might also consider journaling your progress to keep yourself accountable. 8. Visualize success. Imagine your life free from the habit. Visualizing the positive impact, like feeling healthier, having more energy, or experiencing increased self-control, helps create a mental image of the benefits of change, making you more motivated to pursue it. 9. Stay patient and persistent. Changing habits takes time. There will likely be moments when you slip, but each setback is an opportunity to learn. Reflect on what triggered the relapse, refine your approach, and keep moving forward. Remember, persistence is key. By implementing these steps, you can effectively overcome bad habits and establish healthier, positive behaviors.